Hi, my name is Suzanne Arns. I'm the owner and the art director of Crystal Peak Design, and I'd like to share with you a marketing tip. While color can be appealing to us visually, the same can be said for a font. Just like colors, fonts evoke emotions, moods, and feelings. Here are a few examples. As you can see by these examples, the font style used does in fact give us a visual meaning before we read the words. When the right font is paired with the right statement, it can be very powerful and be an effective message, something that's memorable for the reader. Here is an example of the same sentence but executed using different fonts. You can see the font style really changes the meaning of the sentence. The font treatment they used in the top version looks lovely and enduring, something sweet, whereas the bottom statement, because of the style font they chose, the exact same statement to me means something creepy and scary. So as you can see, fonts do have meaning. So be sure you use the right font in the right application. Never use more than a couple of fonts in any particular ad or even brochure layout or any marketing collateral for that matter. It's not about how many different types of fonts you can throw in to a piece to make it look interesting. It can look confusing and hard to digest. So make sure you use a good complementary font for body copy, like a Times or Helvetica, Futura, something that's clean and easily digestible when you're using one of these designer fonts for maybe a headline or a caption or a title on something. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to us by one of these forms of communication.